The P0507 diagnostic trouble code indicates that your engine's idle speed is running higher than the manufacturer's specified parameters. This code triggers when the engine control module detects that the idle RPM consistently exceeds the expected range. P0507 issues fall into three main categories. Mechanical problems account for 60% of cases and include vacuum leaks in the intake manifold, carbon buildup in the throttle body, and faulty idle air control valves. Electrical problems represent 25% of cases involving corroded wiring harnesses and failed sensors like the throttle position sensor, mass airflow sensor, or manifold absolute pressure sensor. Air and fuel system issues make up the remaining 15%, including dirty air filters, fuel system pressure irregularities, and PCV system malfunctions. Vacuum leaks are among the most common causes of P0507 codes. When vacuum hoses crack or connections loosen, unmetered air enters the engine, causing the idle speed to rise above normal parameters. Carbon buildup in the throttle body is another frequent culprit. These deposits prevent the throttle plate from closing completely, allowing excess airflow that raises idle speed beyond specifications. The engine control system relies on multiple sensors to maintain proper idle speed. The throttle position sensor, mass airflow sensor, and manifold absolute pressure sensor all provide critical data to the engine control module. When the mass airflow sensor or manifold absolute pressure sensor fails, they provide incorrect data to the engine control module, leading to improper idle speed control and triggering the P0507 code. Modern diagnostic approach starts with code verification using a professional scan tool. Analyze live data including idle speed, throttle position sensor, and mass airflow readings. Perform visual inspection for vacuum leaks and damaged components. Test individual component functionality and check for available software updates. Modern diagnostic tools now offer real-time monitoring with predictive analytics, and some platforms use artificial intelligence to predict root causes based on vehicle history and sensor data patterns. Understanding P0507 requires recognizing the three main problem categories, identifying common failure points like vacuum leaks and carbon buildup, and following a systematic diagnostic approach using modern tools and techniques. Once P057 is diagnosed, repair involves addressing the specific root cause. The most common repairs include cleaning the throttle body, replacing faulty components, and fixing vacuum leaks. Vacuum leaks are another major cause of P0507 codes. These can occur in various locations throughout the intake system and require careful inspection and repair. Component replacement may be necessary when cleaning doesn't resolve the issue. This includes IAC valves, sensors, or in some cases, complete throttle body assemblies. Modern vehicles increasingly require software solutions. PCM updates can resolve P0507 issues, especially in newer models where software controls idle speed management. Real-world examples demonstrate effective solutions. Honda Civic Si models experienced widespread P0507 codes due to carbon buildup in direct injection engines, leading to a technical service bulletin. Ford F-150 EcoBoost models had P0507 issues linked to PCV system failures causing vacuum leaks. Ford addressed this with a revised PCV valve design and warranty extension. The automotive industry is evolving toward advanced diagnostic technologies. Remote diagnostics and predictive maintenance systems are becoming more prevalent in modern vehicles. These emerging technologies enable real-time monitoring, early problem detection, and more efficient repair strategies. Cloud-based platforms and AI-assisted diagnostics are revolutionizing how P0507 codes are handled. Prevention is key to avoiding P0507 codes. Regular maintenance, including throttle body cleaning every 30,000 to 50,000 miles, and timely air filter replacement can prevent most idle speed issues. Following these prevention strategies significantly reduces the likelihood of P0507 codes. Regular maintenance not only prevents problems but also extends engine life and maintains optimal performance.